In this video, I'm going to show you how to make the clock on your lock screen look a lot bigger. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing we need to do is go to our home screen and we're going to select it. So simply tap on the image that you have and you're going to press customize right here at the bottom. Once you tap on customize, you're going to see the clock. As you can see, it looks normal. It's not big or small. It's just like your regular iPhone usually looks like. But you're going to see this little spot right here that lets you drag down the clock. So you can make it as bigger or as small as you want it to be. So go ahead and pick the size that you want. And once it's ready and you like it, you simply have to press undone and you have a new home screen with a clock that looks pretty cool and pretty big. And that's it. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to comment them down below. Bye!